which highlights and allows you to add new worksheet. We just click on this, and by default it's going to take the name sheet 1, but there are no instructions of renaming it or anything, so we'll just go back to business expense and mark this step as complete. Let's continue and go to step number 16, and in step number 16 we need to create a column chart to show expenses for the first quarter. So first quarter values are January through March, and expenses are listed here. So to do that, we need to select the area of expenses, include the types of expenses, and include the values January through March. So it's basically a range between the cells B5 and E12. So once we selected all this area, we need to click Insert button and insert chart, and it asks us for column chart, right? And when we click this extension arrow, it shows 2D column or 3D column, so we can, I guess, select any one of those. It does not indicate which one you like. So the fancier looking ones are 3D columns, so if you like you can select that. I'm gonna just choose the basic one, and now the chart is created. There are no additional instructions. What we need to do here, you certainly can play with this, but what I'm going to do once